Sitting up in my room with these pair of shoes. I must confess, I got a problem, y'all. I have no sense. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video today. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And if this is not your first time, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so y'all know me. If you do know me, you know how I love shoes, and you know how your girl heart just flutters when she gets packages in the mail. Okay, so y'all, and if y'all are looking at me, yes, I'm opening this box up with some tweezers, y'all, because I have not been in this box. So don't judge me, okay? But I couldn't find nothing close to me yet, and I don't have a box cutter. But I really don't need one because, yes, this gets the job done. But anyway, so y'all, I've been sitting on this box for maybe 2 to 3 weeks now. And y'all, I'm going to tell you, I literally almost forgot about these shoes. But when I thought about how much y'all love Pumas, I was like, yes! Get this box out, girl. So I got this pair of Pumas, y'all, and I did get them in a size 6.5 kids, and I do wear a size 8. You guys, this is the box. Y'all know the Puma box. As you know on the back it has the sizing on the back. And yes, I'm gonna get right into these shoes. These are the Puma RSX3, and in this colorway it is called fluo green, black, and daz blue. So yeah, daz blue and fluo, whatever that means, y'all. Fluo, whatever. Anyway, so your girl is going to be so bright with these shoes on. Well, you know I'm bright anyway, but you know I'm gonna be bright, okay? Y'all, these shoes are so amazing. Oh my god, like they're so bright. Look at this shoe. Oh my god, like wow. Like that's all I'm gonna say is that it is so colorful. Like I'm so gonna stand out with these shoes. Like yes. What's this little spot? Hold up. Oh, okay, that came out. But I got these shoes off Eastbay, and I saw this colorway on some websites, but they didn't have my size anymore, so I haven't ordered from Eastbay since I was like a kid, y'all. Y'all remember them Eastbay books that used to come in the mail? I think they still do, because I remember getting one maybe like a month ago maybe. But these are the RSX3s. And yes, it does have the little running system thing on the inside, if you can see it. I don't know if you can or not because it is a little dark, but yes, it does have the running system on the inside. And like I said with the other ones that I have, if you haven't seen that video before, make sure you check that video out above on the black and white ones. And then I think I also did one on the Chinese New Year edition ones that my boyfriend got, and these by far are the best. He gonna be mad when he see this video, y'all. He gonna be like, oh my god, why didn't you tell me about these shoes? Sorry. This is a men and women's shoe, but like I said, I did get this in a kid size, and yes, my size is a size 8 in women's, which is equivalent to a size 6.5. It is pretty true to size. You don't have to go up, you don't have to go down. You can get your normal size, and I do have wide feet. And this size still does work perfectly well. So yes, those are the details about sizing, so you will know. But honey, you're still watching? Make sure you subscribe, okay? And yes, if you haven't already, comment, like, yes, okay? Y'all know me, I like loud colors. I like to be different. I like to wear different stuff, and I just feel like these stand out so much. Like they are so cute. Like this green, like it's not doing it any justice on this camera, y'all. Like it is so bright. It's got the green down here, the red down here, and then the bottom is also different colors. So y'all, like the Puma back there is in the blue, and it's made very well. I don't see no flaws on this shoe at all. I can't wait to put these on my feet, y'all. Oh my God. Like, I'm gonna be bright, okay? Like, I don't even know what else to say about these shoes, but they are amazing. Let me get the other shoe out the box so y'all can see both shoes. Both of these shoes. Look at them. Oh my God. Like, y'all. Look at that. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear with these shoes, but please believe I could probably just keep on what I got on because it's red and blue. And you see it's got red and blue on these shoes, but yes, they are so cute. Like, amazing. It only comes with one pair of strings, which is these red strings right here, but I feel like you would need another pair of shoestrings because I feel like the red just complements the tongue of the shoe really well. So I'm glad they picked these red strings, and these shoes are super duper comfortable. I love these shoes. I think they're amazing. I think they're super duper comfortable, and I don't really see these getting too dirty because this is like that mesh material. This is the mesh material right here, so I don't really see these getting too dirty. And then this is the leather on the side, and I just love this silhouette of shoe. I think this shoe is just amazing. And if you're looking for something that has a statement piece that's like very colorful, and you want to be seen, you want to be out there, you want everybody to see your feet when you're walking by, these are definitely the shoes because they definitely are going to stand out when you walking anywhere, okay? I mean anywhere. Like, yes. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on so y'all can see. Keep watching, okay? Do not forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. Let your girl know what you thought about these shoes. And as always, yes, I love you guys. And don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all.